In this next video, we will discuss the initial steps of having your business set up in Google Places. Once you've decided to take advantage of Google Places, the first step is to claim your Google Places page. First, you will need to go to google.com/places in order to get a main Gmail account for your business. It's best to use the name of your business, if available, as part of your account name. Next, you must use your real business name and an actual physical address. You cannot use something such as a P.O. Box or UPS store address. And then once you've claimed your account, you will receive a postcard confirming that it is yours. Once you have secured your Google Places account, the goal is to maximize your Google Places listing and get as close as possible to a 100% score. This chart ranks by percentages the breakdown of the different components of a Google Places listing. Required fields, which constitutes almost half, a website, and visual additions will give a listing increased exposure by Google. The first piece of data to add is your contact information. Do not use toll-free numbers as your primary phone number. As in this example for a Dairy Queen in Atlanta, use your local phone number as your primary contact number. Use a toll-free number as the secondary number only. Be consistent on all of your social media platforms by using your local phone number as your primary, as well as a physical address. Use all of the 200 characters allowed in your description. Think it through and make sure to use the most descriptive and impactful phrasing. Word in multi-keyword phrases in your description. Here, Joe's Catering uses terms such as full service, locally owned and operated, freshest ingredients, reasonable price, and delivered on time, while using less than 150 characters total. Touching further on keywords, you might actually think that the keyword phrase listed as the bad example here, Atlanta wedding caterer, is the better example. However, city-town identifiers are no longer necessary to list for two reasons. One, Google is getting better at how they evaluate the information put on Google Places. Secondly, the business address information you list will show customers where you're located anyway. Hours of operation. This sounds obvious, but this is another criteria that Google uses to evaluate businesses' online presence. A key takeaway here is to make sure the hours listed match the hours listed on your website in order to show consistency.